This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Stredicke. This charming 4-bed 1.5 bath rambler is ready for you to call it home. A bright and open floor plan that has been recently updated with new floor coverings, roof, lighting, paint, hardware, and more. Enjoy this quiet Ferndale neighborhood in the large fully fenced and flat backyard with a new composite deck and raised bed garden. Only minutes to everything Ferndale has to offer, including shopping, restaurants, parks, and schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Stredicke at 360-739-4071.